Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11. I just ordered this a couple days ago, maybe 2 days ago, and I just received it today. So this is the iPhone 11. I've always wanted to get it actually, so I do have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I wanted the 11 because it had so many different colors, and especially purple, which is my favorite. And the thing is, it's like kind of affordable, obviously, compared to my phone. So I want to test it out to see if it's up to par with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and if it's worth it, because I know obviously the Pro Max costs like $1,000 something, and this costs way less than that. Actually today the iPhone SE2 came out, so the one that looks just like the iPhone 8. That's $400. I didn't want to buy that because I have something similar to it, and with this one, obviously, like I said, purple is my favorite color and I wanted to have it. So yeah. Anyway, here it is. It's kind of like my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. So yeah, I like how, oh, just to let you guys know, I got this from the Apple website. Here it is. And I just got it in 128. I didn't want to get it for 256 because all my phones right now, the phones that I still have, the iPhones I still have, are like 256. And I don't think I need another 256 phone because I'm just testing this out. And also, I feel like this is a special edition phone. Like, I don't think Apple's ever gonna come out with these kinds of colors ever again. So I'm excited to get the purple one. When the iPhone 11 collection came out, like with the Pro, I wanted to get this one, but I was just like, no, I definitely want one with 3 cameras, and I want the Pro Max because it's obviously larger than this. But obviously I'm just getting this to test it out, and of course for special edition purposes. So let's unbox it. So in terms of like specs, it's pretty much the same. Obviously it doesn't have 3 cameras. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love purple. Purple is seriously my favorite color. It feels really nice. And that's another difference, is that it doesn't come with like the fast charging block that the iPhone 11 Pro has, but this is all the same. So okay, so the thing with the iPhone 11 Pro is that it comes with the USB-C to Lightning port, and this one doesn't. It comes with like the regular port that all the other iPhones come with. So that's that. Same thing here. Nothing too special, but here you go, guys. This is pretty nice. And I've tried, so my boyfriend has the iPhone 11 in red, my sister has it in white, and now I guess I have it in purple. And actually a lot of my other cousins, they have it in different colors, so I'm like, that's why I'm saying like I want to buy it, because it's like the affordable iPhone, and like pretty much kind of similar to the iPhone 11 Pro, but just not the Pro version. So I'm gonna test this out in like the next couple of weeks and see how it goes. Because like the thing is, I'm not gonna have I have like the upgrade program for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I'm gonna have to return that to Apple. So when I do upgrade to the newest phone, I won't keep that one. So at least I get to keep this generation's, well, technically this year's iPhone 11. So yeah, let's turn it on. But I love it. As you could see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's purple on the side. It's metal, but it's purple. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Like, I don't even know if this is gonna be the phone I'm gonna be using. Oh my god, I forgot to take this off. Okay, so guys, this is the most satisfying part. I like completely forgot. Woo! As you can see, like, it's like very fingerprinty. So the iPhone 11 Pro, obviously it's like frosty matte back, and this is like glass, so you could kind of see the fingerprints. So, but yeah, I mean, it feels really good in the hand. Obviously, I feel like with my Pro, it feels a little bit, just a little bit bigger, but other than that, like, it's definitely not too small and not too big. So yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and like show you guys the difference between the iPhone 11 and my Pro Max. So be right back.